Stop wasting money on expensive developers. You can build a professional website for your small business today, even if you have zero coding skills. Let me show you how. First, get a domain and hosting. It costs less than $100 a year. Then, install WordPress with just one click. It's the world's most flexible platform and completely beginner-friendly. Now, the game changer, ShopLentor. This powerful plugin lets you build a stunning WooCommerce store using a simple drag-and-drop editor. Choose from over 100 professional templates, add your products, and customize your checkout page, all without writing a single line of code. Your site will be fully mobile responsive and SEO optimized, making it easy for customers to find you on Google 24/7. Own your brand and grow your business online. Don't wait for the right time. Start building with ShopLentor today.
To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Has Themes on YouTube.